Welcome to this EMDR meditation with bilateral stimulation. The tones and frequencies are designed to enhance a feeling of rest and relaxation as you simply follow the image of the fish swimming right to left and left to right, listening with headphones if you have them available to notice the bilateral stimulation of the drumbeat as it follows the rhythm of the fish. Settle into stillness as you become comfortable for this meditation, embracing the stability and support of Earth's gravity. The granite stones beneath you are smooth and familiar. Witness as your body is held by the earth beneath you. You are secure. You are grounded, anchored into the center of the earth. Become aware of the weight of your body resting on the surface that's holding it. You may be resting on your bed, seated in a chair, on your yoga mat, or the earth itself, feeling still and calm in the present moment. Imagine the sun is warming the stones you're resting upon. And repeat this affirmation to yourself, either silently or out loud. This will be followed by 2 minutes of bilateral stimulation to help the positive, relaxing affirmation sink deep into your unconscious mind. I am grounded and safe in this present moment, trusting in the currents of life.